Hello and welcome to Frankie's DIY and More. Today you've picked on the more part. So today my daughter's going to come pick me up and we're just going to go to town. I live in Columbia, Tennessee, and we're just going to go to a few of the shops and just loaf around and see what they have to offer today and go from there. And we may stop and have a bite to eat. But today's just a little bit of the more part. No remaking today, just a little sightseeing. So thanks for watching. Oh my gosh, I have found the gold mine. This store right here is on the front porch, and they say give me what you want. So you pick anything out that you want and you just give them what you think it's worth. Cool score for me. There it is right there. It says give me what you want. So I got a big score today. There's the store we just went in. And the stuff I got on the front porch was give me what you want. So I got 7 shirts, so I did give him $10. So we're uptown in Columbia, Tennessee. This is where I live. And we are going to this store, Baxter's. They got it all decorated for Christmas. Hey, this store is called Baxter's. If you're ever in Columbia, Tennessee, you got to come in. It's awesome. This store is absolutely amazing. They've got a little bit of everything in here. It's great. Look at all those hats. On a shopping tour this morning. We're just going a little bit of everywhere. And I'm shopping with my daughter and she's hiding from me right there. Now we're at a place called the Pink Porch, and it is absolutely beautiful. So if you come to Columbia, Tennessee, you need to come in. See the Pink Porch. She actually has 2 stores, and it's gorgeous. So I'm home now, got my face washed, got my pajamas on, got my Afghan on, and I just wanted to say what a wonderful day I had. It was awesome shopping with my daughter today. We stopped and ate. We did a lot of stuff. We had a lot of laughs, and it was great. I just want to thank everybody for watching, and subscribe. Hit the like button. Thank you.